because of where we are, I'm just going to very quickly put the blinds up. So as soon as I've done that, oops, where are you? All right, as soon as I put the blinds up and settle down a bit, I'll come back to you because I don't want this light on, drawing attention. So I will catch you in a bit. Bye. You can't have that coffee. You can't have that coffee. Not for doggies. Right, so it's the February edition of my 12 months of car camping for 2025 challenge. We're on the edge of the River Severn, quite a way up, because I've just been freaking out, thinking, hold on, I'm in a car park on the edge of the River Severn and it's chucking it down the rain. Maybe this isn't such a good idea. Yeah, this is it. I'm parked up. It's pitch black. It's raining. I can't show you anything. There's nothing to see. So I'm going to get everything. I've got the blinds up. I've got the thermal blinds out. I've got the thermal blankets on the doors and the back door. I've not got the heater on again because it's chucking it down around. I don't want to be messing about with it. I might try that tomorrow. See how we get on. I'm just going to have a relax and chill because I'm a bit panicky today. I don't know why. Driving in the dark, country lanes, rain. I'm not used to it, and it's put me on edge. And the fact that I'm driving right by the River Severn in a flood, but it's not a flood. It's raining. Let's go. Bye. Catch you in a bit, baby. Try these air fry meals in the Ridge Monkey. This one's salt and pepper pork ribs with chips. See what that looks like. Catch you in a bit. Just think of that. That looks good. Oh, it's really good. I'll come back to you in a bit when I've eaten these. Bye bye. Right, so there's actually nothing to do. It's 9:15. It's stopped raining. It's pitch black out there. You can't see a thing. I can't show you anything. Roll on the longer nights. Unless anything happens, I'll see you in the morning. Night. I can't see anything happening though. It's very quiet. We're not anywhere near close enough for the water for it to be flooding, and there's no flood alerts in the area anyway. I don't know what I'm flapping about. I will see you in the morning. Night. We're going to have a quick walk. Just a quick one. It is raining, and it's going to be raining all day. Look at the weather. Look at the sky. Vile. Just give the dog a quick walk. Make it worth his while coming out. Yeah, it's It's that weather when it's not quite raining, but it's hanging in the air. It's got to be bad, even the dog doesn't want to go for a walk. He's trying to get back to the car. Right, I'm going to call this one. Come on, let's go. Here comes the rain. It's absolutely freezing. It's drizzle. It's not even proper rain. It's a horrible drizzle. So I'm going to call that one for this week. I was hoping to go down, cross over the River Severn and possibly go to the train station, the Severn Valley. But even the dog doesn't want to come out. It's that horrible. It just wants to go back into the car. So we're going to head home. I've still got next weekend. Technically I've completed the mission of one overnight car camping. I'll try again next weekend maybe, depending on the weather.